Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hey, my name is Brooke. I make drinks and stuff like that, and I show my life here and there. Not as much lately, but just wait on it, it's coming. I'm transitioning into slowly showing my life a little bit, but I get caught up in like, what should I show and what shouldn't I show? Because I mostly make drinks, so I'm like, I don't know what to include. Just subscribe. Let me just save you the trouble, just subscribe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. We are at 1,000 subscribers and I'm crying inside. Like, there's a party happening inside me. I wanna do like a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but I wanted to ask you guys, like, what would you wanna win? I was thinking I'll insert like a couple pictures, like something coffee related, right? Because that's where most of my subscribers, like most of you guys are even from, is from watching like my coffee videos and stuff. So I'm thinking either like a bag of beans, either a pour over set, this really pretty one, like I'll insert a picture because it's just super nice and I kind of want to get one for myself because it's like so aesthetically pleasing. Or a French press, or maybe a French press and coffee, or like coffee and the pour over set. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below, like what you would want to win. Or what I can do is like I need to figure out how to do this because I've never done a giveaway and I don't know how to like fairly, like, I know you can sign up for something like a link or something like that and people enter and then it just randomly chooses like somebody, and I want to do that because I want it to be fair. So I need to do a little bit of research before I like have people try and then it not work out, because like that'd be terrible. So well, that being said, thank you guys, and I hope that you guys are excited to watch this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an iced shaken brown sugar matcha latte. So I know that I have some people in my life, as well as probably some people that are subscribed, that don't really drink coffee as much and they like more lean towards teas and like stuff like that, or just don't enjoy coffee. I don't relate, but I understand that there's people that prefer matcha, right? And then there's people like me who drink both, and I love matcha. I love matcha, I love coffee. Give it all to me, honey. Give me it all. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make an iced shaken brown sugar matcha latte with oat milk or almond milk. I'm gonna use almond milk, but like obviously you can use oat or soy or coconut, or God, like there's milk from everything at this point. Or you can use dairy. I know some people are like, oh my God, the cows, but like some people like dairy, bro. Leave them alone, leave them alone, leave them alone. Do what you want, do what you want. I'm getting carried away, as I usually do, but if you guys are interested in learning how to make an iced shaken brown sugar matcha latte, then just keep watching. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be everything you want and more, honey. Everything you want and more. So let's get into it. Don't mind my one broken nail. I really like ripped my fingernail off. Whatever. If you can't see me, I'm sorry. I'll insert a picture. Follow my girl on Instagram. Her name is Lolly and she does amazing nails. I got my nails done from her like last year, and then I had mentioned it in like one of my YouTube videos, but she does a great job. It's not her fault at all that this nail ripped off. I literally broke it like a dumbass. On my birthday, like I cried for a solid 15 minutes straight because my finger was like bleeding, but that's not what you want to hear for matcha. So I'm gonna just head over and do all this. Did I even tell you I was gonna zoom in? Do I need, oh, I didn't tell you what you guys need. Damn. Neck myself for that one. Okay, what you're gonna need is, I'm gonna use a milk frother to mix my matcha because my electric hand mix whisk thing, the battery died. And I don't have batteries and I don't wanna go get one, so we're gonna use her. Okay, if you don't have one, do not worry, honey. Do not worry. You can use a spoon, you can use a whisk, you can use a fork, you can use a straw, you can use your damn finger if you want. I wouldn't suggest that because COVID reasons, but it's your choice. You're gonna need something to mix your matcha. I mentioned this in a couple of my videos before. God, this is just not wanting to do it justice, is it? Okay, whatever. It is the Encha matcha. It's a really good beginner's matcha. It's not bitter at all, super smooth. I like the quality of it. I'm almost out, so I think I'm gonna order a different matcha just to try it out because like I'm experimenting, you know. This is my first matcha I've ordered, so I'm experimenting. If you guys have any matcha brands that you suggest, leave them down below so I can check them out because I am open-minded to try out new brands. You're gonna need a mason jar or a bottle with like a lid, something to shake the brown sugar into the matcha with. You understand? You're gonna need some hot water for your matcha to like mix in there, you know. Brown sugar, and then like I said, your choice of milk. So with all of that being said, because I rambled on for like a good 15 minutes, with all that being said, let's just get into this. Yeah. Things first is you are going to grab your milk frother or a bowl, whatever you're gonna mix your matcha into, okay? I'm gonna pour the water into the mixer. This is about probably 2 tablespoons of water, and then you're gonna use about a teaspoon of matcha. You can use more, you can use less. I'm probably gonna use a little more because I'm eyeballing it, but see, it's like a teaspoon. You didn't get any of that, did you? That's beautiful, I'm so sorry. Do you see this? Here we are. Can you see? Probably not. Okay, about a teaspoon of matcha into your mixer or into whatever. So you're gonna mix it into your mixer or whatever, and then mix it. A teaspoon of matcha and about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of water. So here's the mixed matcha and water. Now, for how much sugar you're gonna put in this depends on how sweet you like your drinks. Obviously, it's brown sugar based, right? Like the name, or like brown sugar's in the name. So you kind of want a good amount. I'm gonna put, how much do you think this is? Like 1 spoon, like maybe, I feel like that's probably a tablespoon. Do you think that's a tablespoon? I feel like that's about a half of a tablespoon to a tablespoon of brown sugar, but like I said, it's all on your preferences. Like if you like it sweeter, add it sweeter. If you don't like that much sugar, you don't have to add that much either. No, honey, we are getting all of that matcha powder in there. Okay. On top, after you mix your brown sugar in with your matcha, and you're gonna shake it. Close it all the way, obviously. Just gonna wipe that up so you don't see any of that, honey. We don't need that. No, we don't. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a cup of ice with some milk. Milk of choice. I'm like trying so hard to make sure it doesn't spill. For me, I'm going to use almond milk. This is the best almond milk there is. It's mad expensive, but I love it, and it's worth the price for me because it doesn't have any like bad oils or sugar. So you love that. It literally has 1 gram of sugar, so. Alright, here we go. Ready? Ready? Damn, I can't help but spill, huh? You guys let me know if this lighting is good because I'm having problems. Well, that's hella good. Oh yeah. I'm getting like flustered with like my lighting situation, but I don't care. I look like really white. I just turned my lighting down a notch. I think this is better. Let me know. Don't be afraid to roast me. Someone told me I look like an eagle the other day in my comments. So I'm like, okay. Okay. It's fine. Whatever, bitch. Anyways. This is her. She's really good. I think half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of brown sugar is like the perfect amount because you can taste it, but it's not overpowering. Like it's not super sweet. Because when I drink matcha, I honestly don't really like it that sweet. I mean, it's a little sweeter than I would normally drink it because it's brown sugar. But it tastes really good in my opinion. Look at her. This is really good. Definitely try it out, especially if you wanted to try like the brown sugar drinks, but then you don't really drink coffee. Definitely try this out. It's really good. It's really good in my opinion. Yeah, that's all I can really say about it. It's bomb, as per usual. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you try this drink out. Let me know if you try it out and if you like it, or if you have any critiques about it. Feel free to leave them down below. Don't tell me I look like an eagle though. Not really in the mood for that. We can fight. No, but like, you know, feel free to let me know if you guys like it down below. Thank you guys again so freaking much. Oh, I just got like condensation on my face from clapping. That was not fun for me. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and I can't believe that I'm at 1,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. Seriously, it's like really crazy to me, and I can't believe it. But like I said, let me know down below if you guys have a preference on the giveaway. Like, would you rather win like a pour over set, I'll insert a picture, a French press, or like a bag of coffee beans? Like, let me know which one you guys would like down below. Comment it, let me know. Or if you have any other ideas for the giveaway, let me know. It's probably gonna be my next video. I need to do some research about it to make sure that I do it correctly and that it's fair for everybody that enters. Yeah, I'm super excited. Can't believe we're here. Yeah, you guys have not been leaving down like any recommendations really as far as like what drinks you guys want me to make. So if you have any drink ideas or any video ideas in general, doesn't need to be coffee, that you'd like to see me make, please comment them down below. I'm always open to suggestions. I do my best to make any of the drinks that you guys comment down below. Don't think I forgot about the vanilla bean frappuccino. I remember you, girl. I remember you. It's hard. I need to do some research about it because I could literally tell you to blend ice, some milk, some vanilla bean syrup in a blender, and there you have a vanilla bean. But like that's boring, and I want it to be like good and like an actual like fun drink, not just like, let me tell you, like blend some ice, milk, and some syrup and do it like in a blender, you know, because it's kind of whack. I want to put my full effort into it. So yeah, I'm sorry. I promise. I didn't forget about you. I didn't. I promise. I'm working on you. I'm working on it, boo. Promise. So, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means the world to me. We're literally at 1,000 subscribers. I can't fucking believe it. We're on the way to 2,000, boo. We are gonna get there. I have the chills. I'm so grateful. So grateful. Oh, I got the Breville espresso machine. I told you guys I was gonna get it, and we got it. We got it. She's a little bit of an ass to work with though. Just a little bit. To get like the shots calibrated was a little bit of a pain in my ass, but I think I've got it handled now. So be prepared for some bomb espresso drinks in the making. The caffeine is kicking. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful to be here, and it's just an eye-opening experience for me. Can't. I already had a coffee before this, and now the matcha, and I'm just woo through the roof, honey. But let me know what you guys want to see down below. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and showing me all the support that you guys have. I appreciate you all so very much. Let me know if you try out this drink and if you like it. And with all of that being said, all of that, have a good evening, day, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Stay safe, wear your mask, do what you need to do. Drink your coffee, your matcha, your tea, and mind your business. That's it. Period. Bye, guys.